Hey guys, Ryan here. So today I have an awesome unboxing video for you guys. This is going to be of the Chainsaw Man, almost the entire line of the SH Figuarts figures. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so the first one we got here is of the main character, Denji. And yeah, there's the front, side, back, with all the different angles, the other side, and then the front again, top, bottom. Okay, so we'll be unboxing that one today. We will also be unboxing when Denji is in Chainsaw Man form. So there's that with the orange and this paint splats, which are most likely like the blood, but just in paint splat form, which is way more colorful. Here's the back, the side, the front again, and yeah, here is the top, the bottom, and yeah, there's even more. Alright, next we have is Makima. Here she is with the pink box. Comes with a cloth kind of clothing, cloth cape, cloth jacket that is. So there's that. And then there is lastly Power from Chainsaw Man with the green and the pink splats. The boxes are beautiful for this, for SH Figuarts figures. So yeah, we're gonna start off. Let's go with Power first, since that box is on top. Okay, so there is a place to open it up. But yeah, I plan to make a good amount of Chainsaw Man videos on my channel. So yeah, awesome stuff there. And the question of the day is, do you guys keep your boxes or do you recycle them? That's what I'd like to know. Alright, so there is the view inside. So I'm going to remove the plastic door. That's what I like to call it. And yeah, here is Power. She has the giant red hammer. And yeah, let's go ahead and get off the plastic. Remove that. So yeah, I think I almost got it all. So yeah, the opening and ending songs for Chainsaw Man are really catchy. Anime has great songs to them. So yeah, it looks like you can open up her jacket a little bit. She has a tie and a button-down shirt. So yeah, there it is. Let's check out the articulation. She's a fighter. That's what I know. So yeah, with the red horns on top. Make sure you don't poke yourself with that. And she has pink and white shoes. So yeah, that is Power. Alright. And yeah, here's the giant hammer. There we go. Looks very used. Definitely been used in combat a few times, to say the least. You also get her cat. So there is the cat. Powers cat, that is. And you get 4 additional faces. So there is the first one, where she is happy. Here is the second face, where she looks pretty in despair. Okay, all right, and then the next one, she is yelling and pretty angry. And then lastly, we have her kind of upset. So there's that. She doesn't look too happy in that one. And yeah, you also get the red knives, as you can see, and a red hammer. Right here. A miniature version of the giant hammer. And you also get, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So you also get 10 hands, additional hands, which is very nice. Which is great for posing, great for just anything you want to do with the figure. Have them hold the weapons or pose in different ways. And there's Power, up close. Up close and personal. Very cool. Alright, on to the next figure. Okay, we are moving along here. So yeah, let's go ahead, open this on up. And you can see here, the instructions are on the inside, part of the box itself, which is interesting. Saves space and money probably, so why not? Alright. So yeah, she has different legs, the jacket or coat, and a wide variety of options here. Let's get Makima out. So what are you guys' favorite Chainsaw Man song? Do you like the opening song, Kickback? Or do you like the endings more? Let me know in the comments. Alright, so here's Makima. Really well detailed. Looks great. She has also a a tie and all. Very nice outfit. And yeah, let's look at the articulation now. The real test will be when I put this through stop motion. But yeah, I should like come back to after I made like a stop motion with it and like give my thoughts on the articulation. I think that would be cool. So yeah. Alright. So yes, let's look at there's a plastic covering here, but there is the coat, which is actual cloth. So that's a nice touch. It's not just plastic. So she can like put it on, of course, however she wants. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, you can put her arms through the sleeves and stuff, or whatever you desire to do with the action figure. So yeah, and then we have some legs here where she's like, I'm guessing like in a different position here, like squatting ready to jump. And then, yeah, we have a bunch of hands. So I'm going to show them here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 hands. So yeah, that's awesome. And then we get some faces here. Here's kind of a neutral face. So there's that. Next up, just a face looking onwards. So there's that. And yeah, this would have been cool if it came with a stand. I feel like all SH Figuarts figures should come with stands, but yeah, here's the face where she could be sucking on a lollipop, some candy, and then her winking. Very nice. And I forgot to mention the top hand has the lollipop. Good stuff. And yeah, here's Makima up close. Very nicely detailed, looks just like the character from the anime and manga. So let's move on to the next figure. Alright, we are going to look at Denji here. Alright, since we already looked at the box, I can just go ahead and remove the plastic here. I got these all off Amazon, just so you guys know. And yeah. There is another character I want to get. I want to get a key. He has like a sword and stuff, which is pretty cool. There is going to be an SH Figuarts figure of that character, but it doesn't come out until next year. So if you can't wait, there is another option. There's a Figma option, which is another brand of action figures. So, yep. Alright. Almost got it, there we go. Okay, so looks like you get a lot with this. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Alright, so we're going to take Denji out, remove the plastic that's protecting the figure. And yeah, looks very nice from just the detailing. And yeah, the articulation will come into play once I do stop motion, some tests with that. That'll be the real test. But he also has a button-down shirt and a tie, just like the rest of the characters do. Alright. So, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 additional hands, 13 and then 14 in total, when you count every single hand, including the hands on the figure itself. And yeah, there is a, looks like a little magazine here. So there's the magazine with the race car. Alright, and then here is the Chainsaw Man mascot right there. It's fun to have that. And yeah, you can actually switch out the face. So you just, so that's pretty cool that they do that. I didn't know that this figure had that. But basically, if you want to get a different face, you just insert it and you're good to go. I'll just put that one in, make a happy face, and then basically just place the chainsaw back in. There you go, different expression. So yeah, you get 3 expressions in total. Here's a crying one. The standard face with the tongue out. And then a really happy face. Okay, so, and then we have the 2 axes. Or just 1 axe, it looks like. Yeah, just 1 axe. Thought it was 2, but just 1. Very nice. And then you get his tie like if it was blowing in the wind. So there's that. Okay, so we get some faces here. Him sticking his tongue out. All right, and then him happy. Very nice. And then kind of a neutral face. And then one more for Denji here. He looks totally out of breath and exhausted. Like he's been in a fight or he ran a good while. And then, yeah, here's a closer look at Denji here, the main character in Chainsaw Man. I like how you can get the tie look like it's in the wind. Very cool. All right, and then we have the last figure for today, Chainsaw Man himself. So yeah, make sure to leave a like if you like Chainsaw Man, subscribe if you're new, hit that notification bell, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so now it's time to remove the plastic. Quite a deep area here, but you kind of need room for the Chainsaw Man himself. Neat. That's really cool. So yeah, here it is. And yeah, it looks awesome. He has 3 chainsaws in total. His head, both his arms and whatnot. There's his shoes. He has good shoes, nice clothes, and 3 chainsaws. Alright. And then you get a really expressive face for Chainsaw Man. So there's that. With the tongue out. Love it. Also, the tie blowing in the wind again, but for Chainsaw Man. There's that. And then, yeah, you get some hands that fit the chainsaws themselves. So there's that. All right. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, like I said earlier. And yeah, so we have Chainsaw Man here, Makima, Denji, and Power. Happy Halloween, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video for Halloween. Hope you have a great Halloween with lots of candy and fun. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next time, peace out. Also, one last thing, I'm gonna put this on a turntable with all the characters, or at least as many as I can fit on the turntable, and we're gonna see what it looks like. With that, see you guys in the next video. Peace out.